ingredients. Then, they will release into the kasi kung yung may station, wala na dapat ito ng pagkakas. So please, you please, kung planning to discuss this meeting, so it is very important for us to share. So this is the Parisian line. This is the painting that became the controversy in the ESI class 2002. Why? Because of the fund, the $1 billion. So this is painted by Juan Luna in 1892 na kung saan sinasabing may relasyon ito doon sa Elisabeth Affair of the Wild. Why? Yung parang hindi-ipag-date na kanyang kasama sa lalaki. So, pwede bang i-screenshot yung para i-mention ko na. Tawaran ko yung para. So this is the map of the Philippines. And the color is brown. Kaimangi. Those who just browns. And green. Tingnan niyo yung mapa. The lady was the mirror image of the map. This is one of the now let's go to this one. When one of the painted this one, these Iranian France, those women going inside the like they were called the sons. Sino yung tatlong lalaki na ang staff?
Ay, ito sa okay. Balik dyan. Kasi madali dyan. Kanina kong kamera.
Demands another sacrifice, and that sacrifice is not indifference or fear. For my country, to endure is not to suffer. It is to comply with